The governor of Anambra State don't come with another logic again about this market issue dem. We say Anambra people refuse to open shop on Monday, say na sit at home. After the first statement, now e don come with another new dimension say after all, the market belong to the state government and they are all government property and he the rightful owner of those property because of he is a governor of the state. He is going to decide what to do with those property because they all belong to government property except he don't come up for post. The property is not belong to him again because he's no longer as a governor. We all know say government property is belong to the government and the people that are ruling the government. But your mindset, you don't already draw your mindset say Anambra people need they ever they come outside for Monday for market say na sit at home and he say no like that sit at home. Now you say you already draw a map. If you decide to demolish those markets, you can demolish them and build up another new structures. You are right because you are the governor of the state. But one thing now we go remember, people the way vote you for power, try to think about how they feel. Because you make a statement that you only give official announcement and let them go and remove their belonging for the market and you can demolish that market and build a better thing. Nobody go ask you question because you are the governor of the state. But one thing I need to ask, those are the people who vote you for power. Why are you trying to torment their life? Because if you demolish those markets, definitely you don't bring hunger to a lot of family. The government need a favor, no job opportunity. And people created job opportunity by themselves, by trading. Then you decide to use your own power to demolish those markets as you are talking. Peradventure now your mind tells you, oh, your kukuma, go ahead and do it. You do it and you bring a suffer to those the way they trade for those markets. Life done better for you, so you're a governor, all your family that make it fine, your children abroad, school in the best school, everywhere is they okay. But man, I think about the common people for the state. You will be politician because these common people now go still come blow trumpet for them to vote and again for power. When it reach the time for them to vote and I go tell them sweet thing and then say then they so naive to listen to our own story to go vote Anna. When I think about the poor people, because it get as it be. Be wise, my people, Anambra people.